Welcome to a tutorial on using the sidebar function on the EduTouch EE panel. The sidebar can be moved up and down and can be accessed on both sides of the interactive screen by locating the arrow-shaped icons. The sidebar serves as a shortcut function for 8 different applications. The back function, which is shaped like an arrow, allows the user to enter any application on the panel and go backwards one step if needed. The house or home shaped icon allows the user to go directly to the home screen. The application swap assists users in navigating between various applications that are opened at the same time. Although located on the home screen, the green whiteboard icon will allow the user to access the note application, which also serves as a whiteboard. The Annotation Tool can be accessed by selecting the pen icon. Users have the ability to draw over anything that is displayed on the screen. To change colors, click on the pen multiple times. To erase, you can either use 3 fingers or a fist to remove unwanted writing. To delete the entire work, select the broomstick. To save, select the floppy disk icon. The magnifying glass tool will allow the user to zoom in and out on important information. The toolkit is perhaps the most used function in the panel for educators. It has a movable spotlight that can be dragged around using the touch pens. To make the spotlight either bigger or smaller, bring your pens or fingers closer together, or drag them out. There is a countdown timer and stopwatch which can be expanded and moved while still functioning other applications. Air Class allows participants in the room to engage with the panel through quizzes and messaging. To connect, participants either scan the QR code or enter the URL code onto their own device. Once devices are connected, there are many functions that can be used directly from the panel. The 2-line shaped icon, or commonly known as source, is where the user can go to navigate between different devices that are connected. Sound and brightness can be modified by selecting the appropriate symbols.